So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect the Nintendo Switch controllers over to your iPhone. So first of all, we need to take our Nintendo Switch. We then want to remove the controllers from our Switch like so. And then once we have done this, as you can see, we've now got our controllers. What we now need to do is we need to turn them over and we want to locate a little button that looks like this. Now you want to click and hold those down. Now you want to click and hold those down on both of the controllers, and then you will then see a green flashing light. Now you can go over to your iPhone, open it up right here, and then once we open it up, if we scroll down from the right hand side, and then go over to our Bluetooth, click on it right here, and then go to Bluetooth settings, what you will now see in the bottom, you will see Joy-Con left and Joy-Con right. So what you need to do is click on that one, that will then connect to the left one. And then you want to click on Joy-Con right, which will then connect the right one. So as you can see, this has now been created. So it's just that simple. That's how easy it is to connect your Switch controllers to your iPhone.